All right, what's happening today? We are working on back on the 97 GSX. Today, I'm gonna try to get to one of the sponsons, or at least one of the sponsons back on. I only had enough nuts and bolts or nuts for one set of sponsons, so I had to go to, I think I went to Home Depot and bought some more stainless steel metric hardware, and so I just got those silicone together. I think I have a video somewhere where I talk about how I silicone all the washers to the nuts. That way, when I go to put this in the hull, this is on the wrong side, but it's really difficult to reach through those holes over there. That's where the studs are going to be located at, and because I'm reaching in, probably the sponsons here, so I'm probably reaching in there probably 6 or 8 inches inside the hull. It's hard to get those studs, it's hard to get the nuts and washers started on there. So that's my solution, is I silicone them all together, and then I'll take a little bit of masking tape or something like that and stick it inside the socket, and then I'll put the socket over that to help hold it in place. Then I can feed it through the hull on an extension. So anyway, I only got 4 of those done. These other 4 are currently curing. So I'll get one sponson on tonight, and then after that, I'll start working on getting the fuel tank in here. And the hardest part about putting the fuel tank in is the fuel pickup unit, and that will go in here, that part of the tank. But it's really hard to get that thing in there. And once you put the fuel tank in from here, you have to put the sending unit in from up here. That's why you have to take the steering off and bring the sending unit in from the top side to get it to fit inside of that hole. And it is hard to do. It's you're really flexing this quite a bit to get this to go in there. And you can see how brown this is. So this thing, this is probably, I'm sure this is original from 1997. Who knows how brittle this is going to be when I go to put it in there. You got to be really careful.